Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to use Google Bard AI. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To use Google Bard AI, go to your Google Chrome browser and log on from your Google account, and in search type Google Bard AI and now hit enter. Click on Bard Chat AI tool from Google. Click on this link. This is the Google Bard AI, and you will find the Bard is still experimental here. Now click on Try Bard. The terms and privacy. Now scroll down. Then you will find a button, I agree. Click on here. Now, Bard is an experiment, and you will find information here. Now, scroll down. If you check this option, you will receive email updates about Bard. I am not checking here. Just click on continue. Look, this is Bard. Now scroll down and you will find microphone icon here so that you can use voice chat in Bard. You will not find this voice chat option in ChatGPT. Now I am going to request Bard AI to write an email on congratulations for winning the game. Okay, write an email on congratulations for winning the game. Click on this option. Look, Bard is writing the email. This is the subject, this is year and name, and this is the email body. And Bard also give you some optional information. You can include these options in the email also. If you like this email, then you can respond as good, or if you don't like this email, you can respond as bad. And you can also share and export this email. Click on share and export, and you can export to doc file and draft in Gmail, or you can share by creating public link to social media or anywhere else. Okay, I am not sharing. Now, if you want more specific information from Google search, you can double click here for Google search response. I'm clicking on here and it's searching from Google and preparing the result here. Look, you will find the Google search result from here, and you can click on this link. Look, it redirects to the Google search result. Now you can copy your letter and right click and then copy. But Google Bard give you an opportunity to copy from here. Click on three dot icon and click on copy. Now I am going to request Bard AI to write an article of 1,000 words. Write an article of 1,000 words about Google Bard AI. Now click on submit option. It's preparing to write the article. The article is already written here. And you will find this is the title, and all these are the, you will find subtitle here also. This is a qualityful article about Google Bard AI. If you click on view other drafts, click on here and look, the first one is the draft 1. And if you don't like this one, you can go for draft 2. Click on here. Look, this is the another title and another article about Google Bard AI, the same subject. Look, if you don't like this one, you can go for third one. Look, this one also different title and different article body. If you don't like anyone, you can click on regenerate draft. Click on regenerate and Google Bard AI regenerating the article again. Look, again, Google Bard regenerate article for you, and title, subtitle, and header, subheader, header 2 also created. You will find 3 draft also here. Look, again, Google Bard produced 3 draft here. First one, second one, and third one. Okay. Now, if you want Google Bard AI in dark mode, click on settings and click on use dark theme. And this is the dark theme for Google Bard AI. Again, if you want to go back, click on use light theme. Then this is the light theme. You can also get your public link. Click on here. This is your public link. You can share chat or an individual prompt on and response. Once you do, you can manage public link that you have created and see their details here. Now I am going to close this tab. If you want to remove your chat history, click on 3 dot icon here and click on delete. If you want to pin this chat, you can click on pin and it will pin to top. And if you want to rename your chat, you can rename from here. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.